we're gonna make a rusty nail. The name sounds really amazing and strong and very masculine, although it's a pretty easy drink to get along with. Like, this is not the Drambuie, which is a Scotch-based liqueur that's got a lot of orange and heather honey. It's gonna mellow it's gonna take all of the sharp edges, if you will, off this rusty nail. So we're gonna use, I like to build this on a big cube and just build it right in the glass. This is perfect for making at home. All you have to do is get one of those big cube trays, stick it in your freezer, pull out a big cube. Voila, you have big cube, 3/4 of an ounce of Drambuie, Scotch-based liqueur, and 1.5 ounces of Scotch. Now, obviously there's 2 ingredients in this drink. So if you want to choose a different Scotch, it's gonna have a huge impact on the finished product of this drink. So you can start with a blended Scotch, which I recommend, and then branch out from there. The only other thing in this drink is some peel of lemon. So we're gonna, of course, peel right into the glass. The 70s classic, the rusty nail.